Welcome to my channel once again. Today I decided to record a video of bees busy pollinating our lychee tree. We have 2 lychee trees in our yard, and every year starting in towards the end of July, August, September, the lychee trees flower and lots of bees come to the flowers. I think they do the pollination, and also they get nectar from that. But it's actually a lot of bees. Sometimes you can even think that maybe there is a swarm in the tree because of the buzzing that will be there. And yeah, I thought I'll show you this. It's actually a sight to behold. It's actually nice. Like today, I just thought, okay, let me record this because it's amazing to me. Lots of bees, lots of bees. I hope you will enjoy watching this as I enjoyed it. And thank you so much for watching. And if you like and enjoy what you are seeing on this channel, please consider subscribing as well as commenting and liking. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.